Hey, Willis, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda, just giving you a call in reference to your recent True Car inquiry on one of our very last Honda Accord Coupes, EXL V6, soon to be a collector's edition because they don't make a Accord Coupe anymore and we don't offer a V6 engine. I want you to come take advantage of the last one we have. Give me a call today. You can contact me at 205-504-2358. That's my personal cell. You can reach me either by phone or text. I truly appreciate the opportunity to go to work for you, Willis, and I can promise you this: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.